Welcome back to Dad Deals for this week's edition of the biggest deals of the week, where I share with you the best deals for dads that I find across the internet. This is your last chance to do any Christmas shopping. Christmas is next week, if you can believe that. So in this video, I'll share all of the deals that I think are worth checking out across all the stores and sites. As usual, all links to the items are posted below and sorted out by store. Full disclosure, some of the links below are affiliate links, and I do earn a small commission if you decide to click on them and make a purchase. So if you'd like to support my channel at no extra cost to you, please consider using my links. All right, sit back, relax, and let's check out the best online deals for the week of December 16th, 2024. So first up, before we get started, I do have a sponsor for this video, and it is Muzen portable Bluetooth speakers. If you have anyone that loves the outdoors, loves hiking and camping, this would make an excellent Christmas gift for them. This is one of the coolest designed mini Bluetooth speakers I have ever seen. It looks like a military radio. The sound is actually surprisingly good, and the controls feel super solid. They have this sort of rotating dial up here. That's your volume control. It even has a flashlight and emergency light up top. And this thing is built like a tank. It is IPX5 waterproof, dustproof, and drop proof. This has the version 5.0 of Bluetooth, so it can reach a distance of 33 feet. It has a built-in 800 milliamp hour battery, so it can run for 8 hours. So if you're someone that likes to listen to podcasts on your hikes or music or really anything, this is awesome for that. One other really cool thing about this is if you're getting it for someone for a gift, it actually comes in a gift box with a gift bag already, so it's all ready to give to somebody. You don't even have to wrap it. But if you know someone or you're this type of person that you hate touchscreens, you like those mechanical controls, this is really your ultimate speaker. So originally these are $90. They have a $15 off coupon that you can click over on Amazon. And then I actually have an extra 25% off if you use promo code DadDeals25. So it's going to bring your price all the way down to $63. So thanks again to Muzen for sponsoring this video. And if you need a last minute gift, definitely check out this. All right, first up, Direct Tools Factory Outlet is having a 35% off almost everything sale. And you're getting free shipping, which often kills a lot of the deals on this site. You will need to use the promo code JINGLE to get any of these deals. And if you're not familiar, Direct Tools is the outlet site for TTI. They make Ryobi tools, Rigid tools, Hart tools. They even make Milwaukee. Those often don't appear on the site, but that is the same line of tools. But you can get some pretty killer deals on this site. And if you've never shopped here before, the factory reconditioned is really your tools that were used. But your factory blemished tools are actually brand new tools. They just can't sell them or they're overstocked in Home Depots. So they sell them as factory blemish, but every time I've gotten one of these, it's come in as a brand new tool. So check this out if you're in the Ryobi or Rigid line of tools. This is a great time to pick up some tools and build up your collection. Speaking of outlet sites, here is Woot. This is Amazon's outlet site. They have this nice DeWalt flashlight. This runs off the 20-volt max system. It's 1500 lumens, has that nice pistol grip, and this is $62 for a brand new tool. Switching over to Amazon, they have this great deal on these Irwin vice grips. I've had this set forever, and I've really used the heck out of them. But these are 45% off at just under $25. That's an excellent deal. Like I said, I've had these for at least 10 years, and they still look pretty new and in great condition. So this is a really well-made set. Also from Gear Wrench, they have their 30-piece combination wrench sets in standard or metric. You're getting both of them for $160. These have your standard wrench in as well as that ratcheting in. These come with the racks to keep everything nice and organized in your storage boxes. So if you missed out on any of the Icon deals recently, check out this one. It's a nice price for this set. Also from Gear Wrench, we have your standard 3-piece ratchets. Comes with, of course, the 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive versions. These are 84 tooth ratchets, so they'll give you that extra clicks in those tight situations where you can't really swing it around very much. But check these out. These are 43% off at $45. If you use a hand torch a lot in any of your crafting or woodworking, check out this Burnzomatic Creator tool. This separates the canister from the nozzle, so it can really give you that fine control. And this is 26% off at $50. Also, Amazon has this Bosch 4-tool combo kit. You're getting the circular saw, some drill drivers, a light, 2 batteries, a 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour, plus a charger and case for $250. Also, another Gear Wrench item here is the hook and pick set. These have nice big comfort grips on them. These are just over $18. Here's a Bosch laser distance measure. Comes with the 2 AA batteries that you'll need. That's always nice to see. But this can measure a distance up to 100 feet. You just hit that button, cast out the laser beam, gives you that direct measurement. These are really nice to have. But this is 25% off at $37.28. A nice stocking stuffer here. Everyone can always use a nice set of pins. Here are these Sharpie gel pins. These are down to $5.25, but you can actually click an extra 20% off if you do a subscribe and save. Just make sure you cancel that if you don't want a recurring order. And then a true dad deal here. If you're looking for any last minute gifts for your kids, I always recommend these magnet tiles. They're really a great toy for all ages. They're easy to clean up, easy to stack. And this is definitely one of the most played with toys my kids have. But you can get this 150 piece set for $69, but there's a 35% off promo code here on the Amazon site that you can redeem, which should bring it under $50. Switching gears over to Lowe's, but before we do, check out these Lowe's gift cards. This is a great way to save at Lowe's. You can get $10 off a $100 gift card over at PayPal. The nice thing about these is the instant 10% off, and you can stack it with any other coupons or rewards or anything else that you have. So this is one of my favorite ways to save on Lowe's purchases. But Lowe's has this nice 27-piece ratcheting multi-bit screwdriver for just $10. You're getting, of course, the screwdriver, all the bits you need, a nice case, but check out this. This is a pivoting head. So if you need to get around the corner of anything, you can do that and ratchet down that screw or loosen the screw, which is really awesome. A lot of these sets do not come with that. So this is a great price at $10. Also for $10, check out this 100-piece screwdriver bit set. I've had this one for a while. This is my go-to. I don't think I've ever run into a situation where this didn't have the matching screw head on it, but this is $10, a really nice set, clear top case, and $10 is absolutely worth it. And then another $10 deal here is the Cobalt inflator gun. Here in Virginia, with the fluctuating temperatures, it gets hot, it gets cold. I've been able to fill up my car tires more than ever, and one of these is really nice to use, and it's just $10. Lowe's also has this really nice Skill Power Core set. This is Skill's 12-volt system. It comes with 10 tools for just $150. You're getting 2 batteries and a charger also. But this is a massive set. You're getting the fan, some drill drivers, circular saw, even the inflator down here. But check out this. This is only good for today only. Here's that Bosch 2-in-1 tool. It can be an impact driver, an impact wrench. But it is still on sale for $99. You're getting the battery and charger in case as well with that. Here's a nice combo kit on the 24-volt line of the Cobalt tools. You're getting a 2 amp hour and 4 amp hour battery starter kit with a toolbox that looks like it's compatible with their modular toolbox system. Yep, the K-Stack system. And you're getting a free tool, the jigsaw, all for $99. Another nice Cobalt deal here is the circular saw. This comes with the battery and charger included as well. And this package deal is $79. You also have an 18-piece magnetic screwdriver set from Cobalt for $20. A 55-piece mechanics tool set. This comes with your 3/8-inch drive ratchet, as well as deep and shallow sockets for $40. And then a nice stubby set here for $20, a 50-piece set. Great thing to keep in your car or keep in a junk drawer somewhere. But this comes with a stubby ratchet, screwdriver, and adjustable wrench, all in a nice case. Switching over to Home Depot, they have the Ryobi belt sander. This is tool only, but it's $60. They also have a great deal going on a bunch of these combo kits from Ryobi. You're getting 2 batteries, the 2 amp hour and 4 amp hour, plus a charger and a free tool. You can pick from an angle grinder, multi-tool, reciprocating saw, circular saw, flashlight, or sander, all for $79. Walmart has a couple of their Chemical Guys stuff on sale, so if you know someone that's into car detailing, check out this. This is their Torque Random Orbital Polisher. This one's on sale for just $79. They also have this car detailing kit for just $34. I really like this Total Interior Cleaner. It really does great on touchscreens, but this is a great Christmas present. I know a lot of people hate on the Chemical Guys products. They say they're not worth the money, but I really like them. I wouldn't say I'm a car detailing enthusiast, but they've always worked great for me. If you know someone into pickleball, check out this Franklin Sports 2-player pickleball set. It comes with 2 paddles and 2 balls. And the 2 balls are the Franklin X40, which is really the go-to pickleball that even the pros use. So check out this set. It's just $15. And then last up, over at Costco, they have a DeWalt drum fan 16-inch 3-speed version for just $50. That's $20 off the normal price. So if you need some air circulation or you just want to get ready for this summertime, this is a nice compact fan at a good price. But that's it. Those are all the deals this week. As always, like the video if you find it helpful. Subscribe to my channel. This will probably be my last Deals of the Week video before Christmas, so I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.